Hello friends, welcome to FourceTutorials. Myself Harish, this is part 18 of SQL tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn what is a cross join. A cross join, it is also called as a Cartesian product. Cross join does not have a where clause. A result set of a cross join is the number of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows in the second table. It does not require any foreign key relationship. So if you check, suppose if we have two tables, employee table and department table. If you do the cross join of this, it will return the number of rows in the first table multiplied by the number of rows in the second table. So the number of rows in the first table is 7 and the number of rows in the second table is 2. So it's 7 into 2, 14. So it has written 14 record. So the result set is first record with these two multiplied by these two records of the department table. Then second multiplied by these two records of the department table. So in this way the cross join works. Let's check cross join example practically. We'll go to SQL Management Studio. We'll say new query window. We'll use the same table that we created in our previous videos, that is employee table and department table. We'll go to use employee DB. But before applying a cross join on both this table, we'll do select star from both the tables. Select star from employee. So now you can see in employee table there are 7 records. This is select star from department. So when I run this query, in the department table there are 2 records. So as I have explained, so it will be a Cartesian product. Cross join would be a Cartesian product. Cross join would be a Cartesian product. So number of records in the first table multiplied by the number of records in the second table. So we'll write a cross join query. Syntax for the same is, we'll write select star from employee first table cross join, that is department table. When we run this query, it will return a Cartesian product. It will return number of records in the first table multiplied by the number of records in the second table, that is 14. If you check, if we have seen in the employees table, we have 7 records, and in the department table we have 2 records. So it says, as for the definition, it says number of records in the first table multiplied by the number of records in the second table. So that is 7 into 2, result comes as 14. So if you check the result set, it is 14. So you can see the result set here is 14. So in this way, we can write a cross join query. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.